TONGVEO 4K PTZ conference room camera system. Real results in 30-person hybrid meetings.
Picture this. Sunday night, you're rehearsing tomorrow's big presentation, pacing the conference room, and the camera just sits there like a lazy houseguest staring at the wall. Remote team sees ceiling tiles instead of you. Sound familiar? Type same if Sunday nights still give you that quiet panic. Go ahead, I'm waiting.
That knot in your stomach when the CEO joins and the video looks like 2012 YouTube. Yeah, I feel it too. The stuttering frame, the echoey audio that makes everyone lean in like it's a bad phone call. But stay with me for 30 more seconds, because getting control back doesn't have to mean another complicated setup. Here's what changed everything for me. I accidentally discovered the TONGVEO 4K PTZ conference room camera system while hunting for something else entirely. One USB cable, and suddenly the camera follows you smoothly. No babysitter needed. That night at 2 a.m., I was testing it for a client fire drill the next day. In under 10 minutes, the 20 times optical zoom nailed the whiteboard details from the back of the room. AI tracking locked on while I paced like a maniac, and the Bluetooth speakerphone made my voice sound like I actually belonged in that meeting. My colleague Mark almost lost a $200,000 deal because the old camera kept focusing on the potted plant instead of him. Switched to the TONGVEO mid-meeting, client never noticed the panic, deal closed 2 days later. Suddenly, everything clicked. Crisp 4K that makes remote people feel in the room. Full duplex audio so nobody gets cut off. Presets that flip to whiteboard or wide shot instantly. And zero driver drama with Teams or Zoom. Here's why thousands of us won't shut up about the TONGVEO 4K PTZ conference room camera system right now. A university AV manager told me, we put these in 100-seat lecture halls. Remote students finally see the professor instead of the back of someone's head. Corporate IT teams keep saying the same. One USB plug and the room just works. I've personally watched a church streamer go from someone's got to manually pan to hands-free in one service because the AI actually follows the pastor across the stage without jerking. The biggest objection I hear is, I bet the tracking is gimmicky and the setup is a nightmare. Fair, most are, but this one? Plug and play legit, and the tracking sensitivity is adjustable in like 30 seconds. I was skeptical too until I saw it nail a chaotic training session with people popping up everywhere. Results may vary, of course, but 6 months in my rooms, 0 crashes, 0 complaints, just compliments from clients who think we upgraded to a 6-figure system. Keep watching, because the difference in how confident you feel on camera is wild. So, the deepest wind? You walk into the room, hit one button, and you're free to present like the expert you are, instead of worrying if the tech is making you look amateur. Join the thousands of creators, churches, and teams already getting real results with the TONGVEO 4K PTZ conference room camera system. I dropped my affiliate link in the description, full disclosure right up front. Just click, try it yourself, no pressure. If it's for you, awesome. If not, no big deal. Either way, see you on the inside, or at least looking crystal clear from it.